Hello and welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we will learn Python control flow, if elifs, for loops, while loops, and list comprehensions. These are essential for writing any meaningful Python program. Let's start with conditional statements. If checks a condition, if it's true, the indented block runs. Elif means else if, you can chain multiple conditions. Else runs when none of the conditions are true. Remember, Python uses indentation to define blocks, not curly braces. The for loop iterates over any iterable, lists, strings, ranges. Range of 5 gives 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Note it excludes 5. Range with start, stop, step lets you customize. Range 110 to gives 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Use enumerate to get both index and value in each iteration. The while loop runs as long as its condition is true. Break exits the loop immediately, even if the condition is still true. Continue skips the rest of the current iteration and moves to the next. Always make sure the condition will eventually become false to avoid infinite loops. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. The syntax is expression for item in iterable if condition. For example, x squared for x in range 5 gives 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. The if clause is optional and filters elements. Comprehensions can also be nested for multiple loops. Let's build a grade calculator. Marks equals 85. We check if marks is equal to 90, grade is A, elif marks is equal to 80, grade is B, elif marks is equal to 70, grade is C, else grade is F. Since 85 is greater than or equal to 80 but less than 90, grade is B. Now let's sum numbers from 1 to 10. We set total to 0, then loop. For I in range 1, 11. In each iteration, total plus equals I. After the loop, total is 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 10, which equals 55. Let's calculate 5 factorial with a while loop. Set n to 5 and fact to 1. While n is greater than 0, multiply fact by n, then decrement n, trace. 1 times 5 is 5, times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120, times 1 is 120. The answer is 120. Finally, list comprehension to filter even numbers. We write x for x in range 1 to 21 if x mod 2 equals 0. The range gives 1 through 20, the condition keeps only even numbers. Result is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Much cleaner than a for loop with append. Some important tips. Always use 4 spaces for indentation, mixing tabs and spaces causes errors. Use for when you know the number of iterations, while when you don't. List comprehensions are not just shorter, they are actually faster than equivalent for loops. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.